for a scale model of a plane, a car, or a ship. But you're frustrated where to find your desired scale model. Don't worry, ModelWorks can handcraft any custom automotive, aircraft and maritime models, from wood.
What?
Dial 1-844-8-MODELS for inquiries or visit us at www.modelworksdirect.com.
One by one, the RC plane lost its parts, while descending to the ground head first. Number 6. Is this a military aircraft? Comment below what aircraft is this. Oh my. Did you see that? Let's watch it again. I never thought that it was so close to the ground. Look at this person, is he trying to catch the aircraft? He's a bit lucky, or else this could turn into a bloody mess. Number 5. Oh. Okay. Nice control over the road. Let's see how this goes. Oops. Again, please. This could be a perfect takeoff if the pole wasn't there. Number 4. The previous aircraft hit a pole, the other one almost hit a spectator. Now before we proceed, let me ask you $1 million